Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to quickly delete important emails using the Gmail app on your phone. If you've ever needed to clear out sensitive or cluttered messages marked as important, these steps will show you exactly how to do it with confidence. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to delete your important emails. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Tap on this icon to expand the main Gmail menu. Scroll down the menu and find the label marked as important. Tapping this will filter your inbox to show only those emails that Gmail considers important. This makes it much easier to spot the messages you want to review and manage. Now browse through your list of important emails. When you find one that you want to delete, don't simply tap it. Instead, long press on the email. This action will select that email and also activate selection mode. You'll notice a check mark appears, and you can tap additional emails if you want to delete more than one at a time. When your emails are selected, look at the top of the screen for the trash bin icon. This represents the delete function. Tap the trash bin, and the selected important emails will be moved to your trash folder instantly. Keep in mind that deleted emails stay in the trash folder for 30 days before being permanently removed. If you deleted something by mistake, you can still restore it within that period. With these steps, you can easily manage and declutter your important emails anytime, straight from your phone. Practice these steps whenever your inbox starts to feel overwhelming and keep your important messages under control. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it and stay tuned for more simple tech tips.